ChatGPT. You likely listened of this new trending AI technology and its unique ability to generate responses consistent with the conversation's context. But in today's video I'll show you how you'll be able to utilize this advanced technology to make money by simply copying and pasting content. Before we start, if you don't mind, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. This helps me produce more videos and provide more valuable information. Let's get started before we start making money with ChatGPT. Let me explain to you what this unique technology is and how it works using a simple example. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and the built-in AI chatbot generates text based on written prompts in a progressed and creative way. So, for example, we can type in the chat box, "What are the best 5 ways to lose weight quickly?" As you can see, like magic, the AI bot has generated a detailed answer in a couple of seconds with only one click. See how powerful that is? Can you imagine how much time and money we can save using this technology? And can you imagine the crazy opportunities ChatGPT can provide in the future? Okay, this is impressive. Thanks for the info. But how can I start making money using ChatGPT? To get the answer to that question, make sure not to skip any part of the process and watch the video until the end, because I'm going to share some tricks to achieve maximum results. If you use the internet, you've probably heard of the freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, etc. But don't worry with the method I'll share with you today. We will not work as freelancers, instead we'll use ChatGPT to deliver the service without doing anything ourselves. How exactly? I'll explain the process to you step by step in this video. Now if you head off to Fiverr and hover over the writing and translation category, you'll see all currently selling services on Fiverr. As you can see, there are so many available services that we can sell using ChatGPT. Let's choose articles and blog posts as an example for this video. As you can see, there are a lot of successful sellers and most of them are making hundreds of dollars, if not thousands per day. I have been on Fiverr for a while, so I'll give you a simple yet effective tip to get quicker results. Be niche to avoid competition. Let's say you'll go with a blog post service. Instead of creating a gig that sells blog posts to everyone, make a gig to sell blogs to a specific niche, for example weddings, wellness, and more. That way you'll stand out and avoid the competition. Now let's say we've got an order to write an article about ways to lose weight quickly. All we need to do now is head off to ChatGPT and let the AI technology write the article for us. And just like that, in a few seconds, we now have an entirely written article for which you will get paid, but without doing the research and without writing a single letter ourselves. Oh my God, how amazing is that? All you need to do now is copy, paste and make money. This process is not only for writing a blog post, but it also has the potential to make you thousands of dollars quickly. You just need to be creative and figure out how to use it to your advantage. If you want me to share more strategies of making money using ChatGPT, let me know within the comments. That was it for today's video. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.